Hey, Shalom. Hey, man, them people are bugged out, man. Uh, I guess that's why they call angry birds. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, these kids, these kids out here, man, they're ridiculous, man. It don't matter if you're um, it don't matter how old you are. The Most High's gonna destroy y'all, man. Let me get the script. This is Second Ezra 5:8. There shall be confusion also in many places, and the fire shall be oft sent out again, and the wild beasts shall change their places, and menstruous women shall bring forth monsters. Okay? And that little kid, he's gonna grow up to be a damn monster, man. He's already a monster. And those type of little kids right there, they're gonna be destroyed, man. You know? Grabbing pigeons and throwing them at people. Come on, man. You know? It's bugged out. A menstruous woman shall bring forth monsters. And a woman that's in her a menstruous period, on her period, they're all angry and shit. You know what I'm saying? Frustrated, and you know, you brothers know what I'm talking about. They're angry. And it says a menstruous woman shall bring forth monsters. You know? Picking up pigeons and throwing them, man. It's bugged out. This is the generation that we're living in, man. You know, these kids, they don't have any type of remorse or empathy, or sympathy over anything. You know, they're killing their parents, they're killing their grandmothers, stabbing them to death. I've been seeing that a lot when I'm at work and I get on the internet and I read the news, and there's a lot of stabbings dealing with teenagers stabbing their parents or their grandparents, or cutting the heads off their parents. And this is Jake. Jake is mentally ill, man. There was one that happened over there, I think in Detroit. It was either Detroit or Chicago. Um, and they tried to get him help because I guess he was mentally ill. Some like I don't know what it was, but he was sick in the head, and they basically saw, well, because he was I guess making threats on family members, and they said that he wasn't showing any type of aggression or suicidal thoughts, tendencies and things of that nature. So they released him, and when they released him that same day, he killed his whole family, man. So this generation is bugged out, man. All right. Let me see here. Matthew 16 and 14, or Matthew 16 and 4. A wicked and adulterous generation seek. No. Matthew 12 and 45. It says, when the unclean spirit is gone out of a man, he walketh through dry places, seeking rest, and findeth none. Then he saith, I will return into my house from whence I came. And when he is come, he findeth it empty, swept, and garnished. Then goeth he and taketh with himself 7 other spirits more wicked than himself, that they enter in and dwell there. And the last state of that man is worse than the first. Even so shall it be also unto this wicked generation. Throwing pigeons at people, man. A little kid has the balls to go up and grab a pigeon, 2 pigeons at that, and throw them at a female. I don't know what caused it or what. The point is that this is bugged out. That type of behavior is unacceptable, man. And you hear that dude bugged out laughing like a goddamn maniac. But all these from the elderly to the children, they're gonna be destroyed, man. All right, let me get this other one here and first Ezra's 4. See. Where's it at? Let me get it right here. Slocky. Let's go to first Ezra's 4 and 37. It says, wine is wicked, the king is wicked, women are wicked, all the children of men are wicked, and such are all their wicked works. And there is no truth in them, and their unrighteousness also they shall perish. So with that, shalom.